Brazilian.
I'm having sweet chili. Tastes like I'm actually eating like sugar syrup, to be honest. Oh, I forgot the map. Oh, it's in your bike. You know what? This stuff actually tastes like shit. I'm not fucking eating it. Yeah. Next one. Tomato basil. You know what the saying is?
Don't pay for it twice.
You paid for it once, don't pay for it twice. Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
Paid for it once, don't pay for it twice.
Be good if you can remember something.
Alright, here's the map she drew. I don't remember anything that she said. I know that she made some pink lines, some green lines, and orange lines. This little thing. So we'll go see some sort of ruin. We'll drive through the national park and we'll film stuff. We'll talk about stuff and put some music in there. Be so cool. Anyway, but you know what? We're not gonna get hard sitting here at this campsite talking about how amazing the last ride was. We gotta get into the next ride. You could have just done the greatest ride in the world, but no one cares about that. You gotta get to the next ride. That's what we're gonna do, go to the next ride, because the last ride's over. So let's ride.
That's what we're gonna do, because that's just what you do, folks. Don't sit around here getting hard.
Not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little bit fatigued after that. It's because I didn't have my coffee. Next stop, most important stop, Wilpena Pound to get a latte, an oat latte. They better have it ready. I can't be expected to get hard without my oat milk latte. Let's do it, baby! Woo! Yeah, get into it! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! This clamp is fine if you ride a motorcycle on the street. Do not ever use this clamp off-road because it's a piece of shit. It's not good. Yeah! It's got soaking wet on that puddle. Either biting me or stinging me, but I don't know. It is incredibly painful. think there's something in my thing. I feel like something fucking bit me. What the fuck? What the fuck was that? Dude, that was like searing pain. Two of them.
Snake fly up and bite you.
A snake bit me in the armpit.
Flew up mid-ride and bit you in the arm.
I think I just parked in a driveway.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. There's a million things. Like if they...
No, but I think it's an actual, like, I'm just like in a lane.
I don't think so, because that's a drive.
Wilpena pound in all its glory. There it is. Just leave my $1,000 helmet over there. Someone steal it. Ooh, you know what I see? I see chairs, like cafe chairs. And that tells me we might be in reach of a latte.
Otherwise they won't like that.
No, they don't care.
Are you sure?
Where are we?
Wilpena pound.
Where's the thing?
I don't know, dude. You're guessing. It looks like we're going in the library right now. Is this it?
Is this a library? Well, look at that. Dude, I don't know. I'm not from here. Okay, I'm not from Wilpena Pound.
No, dude.
I'm not from Wilpena Pound, dude. Hi. Oh, don't shut it off. Don't turn it off. We're here. Hi.
Hello.
You cleaning it out?
Yeah. Oh, well, it's about to.
Is it too late?
I don't need it.
Tell me it's not too late, please. Please tell me it's not too late. I
Tell
drove,
them it's too late.
like seriously, I drove all the way from Canberra for a coffee from you. Seriously, you don't know.
I haven't actually made anyone a coffee yet.
Oh really? Today? All day?
No, I usually don't make people coffees because I'm always scared that it's going to taste bad.
Oh.
This is your chance right now.
Who normally makes them?
He just walked out.
Are you serious? The guy that just left?
Go yell at him.
Hold on one sec. Son of a fucking bitch. The dude left. That was it. And you know what? He looked back at me for a second and he was like, oh, this dude's gonna want a coffee. And you know what? He kept going out the door. Mother. He's gone. God damn it. Well, do I want to risk her making me a coffee? I mean, it is InHardinated. You know, how bad can it be? What do you think? You want to have a crack? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, you got water? Oh, this is the food.
They've got frozen.
You know, I get in here and I see stuff like this, and again I think, why do I pack anything?
I know.
We don't actually need to pack any food at all.
Constantly pack food.
I'm not packing food. I'm not packing food again.
I mean, it's good to pack like
One night.
one night's worth, and then we just hit up every place we go because, you know, it's just like a waste of space. Like, look at this, man. We instead of having shitty tuna, we could have been chowing down on celery sticks and snow peas.
That's not a bad idea, actually. Oh, sugar snap. That's my favorite. I'm gonna actually get those.
The snow peas.
It says sugar.
Yeah, but it says snow.
But right here it says sugar
Yeah,
snap.
but that says snow peas.
These are snow peas, actually. These are not sugar
No,
snap.
I
Sugar
know,
snap are
because
smaller.
It says snow peas.
Yeah, but sugar
No,
snap.
I know it's snow peas because it says snow.
Sugar snap peas are smaller.
Yeah, I know.
Do you know what a sugar snap pea is?
Yeah, I do. We're growing some. That's you.
I'm a light fruitcake.
Yeah, just light.
Ah, this thing is burning. It's still burning. I wonder if there's a stinger in there. Oh, starting to swell up on me.
You're fine.
Look, two bites next to my stretch marks. You know why I have stretch marks? Because I'm so freaking huge. Because I'm a monster.
Actually, that's.
Why am I here?
water.
You could do, just do some snags.
Well, they've got frozen ones over there too.
Oh, well,
You can take stuff back to the fridge.
just do some snags, dude. Snags?
Taking it back to the fridge.
No, it doesn't. It can be. It will be fine for 2 hours on the bike. You're not going to get listeria or whatever you think you're going to get.
No, I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna get anything.
So why is it puffy like
Yeah,
that?
exactly.
Does that mean it's old? What's the date today? It says used by 11 December.
It's probably 11 December.
That's fine. So we've been eating with our hands for the last few days. Trust me, this is better than anything we would have eaten. Thanks.
And then sugar on there.
Wait, where? Oh, oh, here. Oh, wow. Thank you very much. Look at that. It's hot too. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You did all right. All right. You saved my life. I may need to. Do you know a good attorney? Because I think I have a. What's the worst kind of burn? First or third?
Third.
I might have a 3rd-degree burn on my thumb from how hot this coffee is. Just quietly.
But you just told her how it's good.
No, I said the coffee's good. It is good. I didn't. But it's hot.
Maybe you should ask for a little koozie.
That's it. Do you think they have tomato sauce to that? No, I wouldn't want to risk it. Let's see if they have a small.
No, it's not.
Oh, they do have a small thing. And since we're in Australia, you don't need to refrigerate tomato sauce. Now here's a little known fact. In America, we put these in the fridge. In Australia, as far as I know, this goes in the cupboard. Doesn't taste nice in a cupboard. Just saying, because it goes off.
I'm just saying, stuff goes off, okay?
One more thing. All right. I'm good. Oh, I need water. That was actually the only thing. Far out. Let me see if she has a sleeve. I can't hold this. This is good, but it's so hot. Do you have a little, like a little sleeve thing for it?
So it's like the cup hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Just give you another cup.
Oh,
I do apologize.
no, it's perfect. It's just hot. I love it. Good, thank you. All right. All right, all we need is water and then we can get out of here. Try to find the one that tastes least like shit. Is Mount Franklin the really crappy one? Oh, you know which one is really bad? This one right here. Never buy this. This one's rubbish. I think Mount Franklin's made out of, yeah, anyway. How much water do I need? That's enough, I think. This is going to be the longest video, and it's going to be us in a shopping center supermarket. Good news, coffee done. Got our snags. It's probably about 4 o'clock, and we haven't even started the ride. So, yep, let's do it. It's been hard. Do it. Let's do this. Woo! I just realized we're going to be riding through the national park right as it's starting to cool down. There's no better way to interact with the wildlife than at dusk on a motorcycle. Let's do it. So this is the Bunyeroo Gorge track, I think. So the lady that was at the Willow Springs Skytrek was the one who recommended this track. So we'll see what it's like. She said a lot of people go to the gorge and then they actually turn around. And there's some ruins up here. Ruins? I don't know. Worth checking out as well. But anyway, this is all pretty cool. The road's not too bad. But you know what's interesting? Like as I ride around on here on these dirt roads, I'm still really like nervous when I take these corners. Like I feel like as I'm starting to corner, I'm gonna lose the back end. Yeah, and even like on the smaller roads, like I'm okay to let the back end wash around, but on these, I don't know, I'm just a bit uncomfortable. So, and again, obviously that comes from being new, but I guess as you get the Ks, as you get the time on the roads, you just get more and more comfortable with it, just practice. But anyway, it's pretty good. Yeah, man, my knee is really starting to bother me. I'm actually glad we pulled up when we did instead of going on that big track, because I think that might have been the end of it. I mean, even now, like I'm having to slow down quite a bit on some of these turns because I really feel it. Yeah, my knee hurts when I stand up, but guess what? It doesn't hurt when I sit down. What? I don't even need to stand up. A lot of people stand up. I don't need to stand up. I can just ride my bike into the dirt while I'm sitting down. Let's do it.
Don't move.
As far as your head is in my... But anyway, that'll work. So we are at Razorback Lookout. Wow, look at this. This is from the Cryogenian period. Oh, I should have started like this. When I look at this formation here, I can tell by these stratifications within the sedimentary rock.
It's a Trizona formation.
This is clearly a Trizona formation, probably most likely dating back to the Cryogenian period. Now, if I take you over here and I look over here this way, don't mind this jibble jabble sign here.
That's not even English.
What you can see over here, coming down through here, is what's called the Ilatina formation. Anyway, let's actually look at the view for a second, because the view is really spectacular.
Amazing.
Shit I gotta deal with. Oh shit.
That's you. Move, please.
We got our YouTube competitors coming up here. We're all fighting for the same spot. We've been fighting with these other YouTubers since Canberra. We're fighting for the same territory. Actually, the mic's in the back. Let's get out of here. So I think the sign said that this was, this formation was like, 500 million years or something? These layers. Anyway, it's quite impressive. Ooh. Amazing. Why don't you start here and just quickly climb up that crack, because you used to rock climb, right? So you just climb up this crack right here, and then if you get up there, you can hold the camera out like a drone.
Get up where?
Just climb right this crack right here. Leave your helmet on, that way you're safe.
There's that's easy. That's an easy climb.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Just hold this with one hand, and then just climb up there to that tree.
Oh, that tree up there?
Yeah. Come out on the ledge and then hold this like a drone.
See, the problem is,
yep,
I could get to there, but the problem is I don't know how strong this rock is. It's chill, right? So if you put a lot of weight on it, it might break.
Yeah, no, go leave your helmet on though, because I want you to be safe. No, and you should be able to get pretty easily to that that tree.
I could get to this tree, no problem. That
okay,
tree
all right,
there.
Go ahead.
That tree.
Yeah, well, you said you get to that no problem.
Yeah, here, hold my helmet.
Oh, can you put it on? Do I have to hold it?
Yeah,
or
you have to hold it.
Just I can't put it on the ground.
No, I'll walk it back to the bike. I'm not gonna set it on. You set it on the ground.
Okay, you walk it back to the bike. There's your sunnies. Oh, actually, wow, you make it look easy. Hey, I'll wait till you get there to tell.
Real slippery right there.
Yeah, you know what? You may end up in the hospital right now. Wow. Okay, there's one problem. I still have the camera.
Oh, I was supposed to bring the camera?
Yeah, because you got to do the drone shot.
Alright.
Now it's.
Come back down.
Can you know what would be cooler? You know what would be even cooler? You know how we used to boulder? Maybe if you if you hang on the bottom ledge, you can dyno from that ledge up to the tree. Man, you better be careful. You better seriously be careful. You're gonna go to the hospital. He believes in. Demons.
Fuck! Yeah, you'll go to the fucking hospital, old man. Sit down there. Stay down. Want me to take the camera up there for a shot?
No, it's not gonna matter. But what would be cool is if you could dyno that.
Dyno this. See, like I said.
Cause no, look at this, dude. You can dyno off this.
I don't want to break a giant chunk of rock out of myself.
No, this is not gonna break, dude. It's fucking 500 million years old.
It's chilling, right?
Yeah, see, and you got knee pads. He's gonna dyno. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. You got a dyno. Yeah, you got a dyno.
That was fun.
That was it. Well, look, it was worth a shot.
We did it. You see that sweet dyno?
I started to feel quite weak, and we realized why. Anthony found a piece of kryptonite. Where is it?
Found it right here. Oh, this one? Kryptonite's green, isn't it?
Oh, my powers are draining. We found some kryptonite.
Oh, these are good skipping rocks, man. Unfortunately, too much.
Look at that.
Woo! You gonna suck a sail?
We are at the Aroona Valley Cultural Heritage Site. Interesting. What a great spot too. I mean, imagine waking up in the morning and you just step outside to this. Jeez, that's amazing. Eddie Pumpa. Or is it Pumpa? Oh, I'm standing in the sun. Say 1925. Wow, this would have been like this is like a mansion of the times.
Man, this is like somebody comes over your house. Wow, dude, you're rich, huh?
I feel like maybe we had some dramas with the ceiling because the ceiling's gone, the roof's gone.
No, that's all original.
I mean, did they use chicken wire to hold the walls up, you think?
I don't think they did.
That's probably done to keep the chickens out.
Yeah, that's a shame. 'Cause that's probably not original. So they've come back and just patched this. It just looks like a patch.
Well, it might have done it. I mean, look at this. It actually might have been. It might have been like this because look at how they it's actually in the chicken wire. Maybe it's just falling out. You know what? It's probably like mud.
Okay.
Oh, I shouldn't touch it. Actually, what am I doing?
Yeah, don't touch it.
Oops. Actually, is that artwork or something?
Yeah. No, it looks like graffiti.
Is it? Maybe. Yeah. So they just filled that with mud. Okay, so that is part of it.
That's cool. There you go, dude.
Okay, just for perspective. So the guy would not have been, I mean, I'm 6'2".
You're not 6'2".
I'm 6'2", so the guy wouldn't have been particularly...
You're 5'4" on a good day.
How tall is Tom Cruise? Is he the one that's like 4.5 feet tall?
I don't know.
Tom Cruise, if he was sitting on my shoulders, would fit through would fit through this archway. Have a look. You'll knock your head on it.
I will, because I'm taller than you.
No, because you're standing in.
No, because I'm taller.
No, because you have fucking heels on your boots.
Because I'm taller than you.
You put heels on your boots to make yourself look taller.
Oh.
You're actually shorter than me.
I would have to be this short to be shorter than you.
And it's crooked. I don't appreciate the fact that he didn't get that plumb. Is it plumb? No, plumb is straight up and down. He didn't get it level. Whatever.
Hey, Dad, what is that? What would you call that, Dad?
Well, the thing about this this doorway frame arch beam here is
That's cool. No, I mean, honestly though, I'm like the height.
Just
Why-
enjoying my view, folks.
Why is it so small? Like, how tall were these people?
I don't know. I'm just enjoying my view. That's all I know. Having my morning cup of Joe, enjoying the view. Maybe the floor, you know what? Maybe the floor was lower. There's a lot of dirt.
Oh, it could have been a flood.
No, this looks like floor right here. So, no, that's out the window.
Yeah, they were
So
short.
it actually would have been shorter than that.
They were small.
Either that or they just wanted to save money on it. I mean, they built high ceilings. Just amazing that they got such nice tin and timber in here for the top, you know? They've
Yeah, look, it's pretty cool. I mean, you say what you want, but it is pretty cool. And there's a camping spot, I think right here. You can see there's like maybe it's a long drop, or maybe it's over there. So you can actually camp.
Yeah, look, there's a camp right there.
Ah,
That's a fire pit.
you beaut, look, you can camp over here. How cool is that? And it looks like there's some treks and some hikes and stuff over there. That's cool, man. This is, yeah, would you say this is where his wife slept? This is where his wife slept. Now, honey, I'm gonna need you to go outside. I've created us. Oh, is that where they lock them up till they lock them in a room until they've had the baby or something?
Well, yeah, because the man can't be around the woman when she's having a baby. That's
Is that how they used to do it?
I have no idea.
I think that is in English. No, they're not English.
I made that up. That's all made up.
No, there was a thing. I think that in some cultures.
The men would sit outside and have cigars, but I think that's just an old timey thing.
Whatever.
Now I want to see it. You know.
Anyway, so this is something ruins or red something ruins. Anyway, it's definitely worth having a look at. It's pretty cool.
Pretty darn cool.
The views are spectacular.
Out this way. You know, it's like, why not just tear it down and put a high-rise here?
Yeah. I don't know. We can drive. I did want to drive over and have a look at the ones over here just to get a sense. Because this is all open camping. We could have just camped out here.
Yeah, but it's nice to have, because we got charged batteries.
I've got to charge my toilet
Well, I mean, I
battery.
don't have to charge any batteries.
Yeah, we got to charge your phone battery.
I don't have to.
Well, you do have to because
No, I don't have to.
that's the first thing you did was put your phone on the charger. Like, I charge my phone. If it's not 99%, I immediately shut my phone off. I find the closest charger. I put it.
Jay, gotcha. If it's not 99, I inhale flies.
I'm gonna launch the beacon. I'm firing the beacon. I just.
I hope the camera angle was good on that.
I think it.
Inhaled a pack of flies.
I think it went into my throat and then out my nose. Jesus Christ! If my phone's not 99%,
Do it again. Do it again. Come on, do it again.
no such thing as karma. Let's
Do it
get out of here.
again.
This place is tapped.
Trying to make fun of me?
I did make fun of you.
Didn't know, because that's not how it goes.
It is how it goes, dude.
Not how it goes.
My GoPro has broken. I need to pull over and buy a brand new GoPro because this is about the footage. See, we are trying to make a YouTube video for the fans, and that's what we have to do. We have to pull over. Is there a JB Hi-Fi in your town? That's great. Can you direct me to it, please?
Look at this. The dude never turns his bike off. Let's get out of here. Next stop, camp. So we're at Aroona. We're at Aroona Hut Ruins. And actually, fuck, I wish I had a drone. Because I bet you if we went up to the top of that hill up there, man, you could probably get some amazing drone footage. Can you do me a favor?
You want me to run up there and...
Yep. Anyway, I said I would invest in a drone if we get 1,000 subscribers. So that's never gonna happen. I think we lose more subscribers than we gain because of freaking Comedy Joe back here giving people a hard time when they're actually coughing. I could have actually died from that, inhaling that fly.
Could have died. Did you just dramatize you inhaling a fly?
I could have died. You inhale one fly.
Did you bring your beacon, by the way?
No. What do I need a beacon for? I have a sat phone.
Oh, you got the sat phone.
Dude, we're like 20 Ks from a thing.
Just saying.
You need to launch a beacon. What do you mean to put it? You want to launch a beacon because I choked on a fly?
No, you were the one who said,
I need the bacon.
look, dude, I'm just saying, you know.
I can't hear you with my helmet on.
Just saying, man. Gotta get hard. Hit that beacon.
I don't even know what he's talking about. I actually tried to leave him today, but I couldn't. He was too fast keeping up with me.
What? What's up?
Let's roll, baby.
It's like that.
Book and pay online. Yeah, you gotta book online. It doesn't tell you what it costs. Anyway. Oh, we made it back to the camp kitchen in one piece. They didn't have steaks at Wilpena Pound, unfortunately. But you know what they always do have everywhere you go? Snags. So we got downgraded from steaks to snags. But the good news is they did have gluten-free bread. So that's cool. So it's a gluten-free snag. I mean, how posh. Anyways. So anyway, but no, all in all, I think it was good riding, great day. And I think we just had a quick chat. I think the plan is at this stage, we are gonna pull up stumps tomorrow, and because the knee's a bit sore, we're gonna just make at least 1,000K trip back to Leeton, and I'll see how I go from there. But yeah, I think that's the plan at this stage. So I think that's what we're up to. Really good day of riding. Really happy with the Skytrek here in Flinders Range. And
Awesome.
yeah, I can't say enough. Great facility, friendly people. So yeah, all in all, great day. Definitely worth checking out. All right, time to get into these posh snags. Later.